guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Before we get started, I just wanted to say how crazy all of this is, but know that we're in it together, and I want to send out so much love and positive energy, and just know that hopefully soon enough that this will all be over and this will all be just a crazy story. But right now living in it is really hard, but we have to stay positive and hopefully only good things will come of this. So with that being said, I want to take you guys on a new little journey. I am calling this quarantine skincare. So I'm going to be showing you guys videos and tips and tricks on how to take care of your skin with natural items that you may have in your cupboard, in your beauty cupboard. So tons of little skincare tips and tricks, and I think it's going to be really fun, and I'm really excited about it. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this. This is a shea butter and lemon cypress essential oil body butter. It's my own little recipe. I know the color's a little off-putting, but it is from the yellow shea butter. I played with it a little bit. It smells so good. It's kind of like an energizing body lotion because of the lemon and the cypress. So let's get into it. To begin, I used a double boiler to melt down the shea butter. Now I'm using rosehip oil, about 10 drops. I'm just adding it straight to the shea butter. I picked it up at Whole Foods a few months ago, and it's really great because it's full of antioxidants. Now I'm adding the doTERRA lemon essential oil. I really love the doTERRA brand. I find that they are the purest essential oil that you can really find on the market. Followed by the cypress essential oil, which is really great for circulation as well as reducing varicose veins, especially in this formula. Now I'm going to just mix them all together, doing a pretty sturdy whisk, really getting in there, making sure everything's mixed nicely. And then I'm just gonna let it sit for a little bit and it'll start to form. All right guys, so this is the finished product. I let it sit for a little bit and it hardened. I've been playing with it a little bit, as you guys can see. But let's talk about why I picked these ingredients. So shea butter is incredibly rich and moisturizing and hydrating. The rosehip oil is packed with tons of antioxidants and penetrates deep into the skin, which is really great for collagen production. And then we also have the lemon essential oil, which is really refreshing and nice and good for the metabolism. And the cypress is really great for circulation, and it's great for preventing varicose veins. So I will show you the application. So I'm just gonna scoop some of this out. Obviously I potted it into a nice little mini mason jar. So let's use it on my elbows. I tend to have really dry elbows. I also do have a bit of psoriasis. Now you can see it has a little bit of a yellow hue. As we work it in, it'll dissipate and be completely fine. It won't stain any of your linens or clothes or anything like that, but it gives you that really rich hydration that we love. And then I'll do that on the other side, and you can see that immediately my skin's absorbing it and just gives my skin leaves my skin with a nice healthy glow, which I really love. And it smells so good. It really has that nice cypressy lemon scent. And it just feels really clean and nice, and it's awesome to know that we made this together. I know all the ingredients that are going into this product, and essentially I can make it whenever I need it, and I really love that. All right guys, well, that smells amazing. This was really fun to do. I find it really fun to make your own beauty products because you know what's going into them, and you're doing it firsthand, so that's really awesome. All right, well, stay tuned for more Quarantine Skin with Angel, and I will try to update you guys and post as much as possible within the next coming weeks, so you guys will have brand new skincare routines. So, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please feel free to comment. I will get back to you as soon as possible. And that's it for Quarantine Skin with Angel. All right, guys, talk to you soon.